In English School. Today we are going to learn a new lesson that name is more on MS Word. In this lesson we are going to learn some more tools such as treasure, spell check, find and replace, word count, etc. So let's start from the get set. Now read this passage and underline the spelling error in it. Okay, see, one story is given of a lion and mouse. So read this passage and find out the spelling mistakes. Now see here, once upon a time there lived a lion in a forest. Here is a spelling mistake, so automatically one red line get appear here. One day he was sleeping under a tree after a heavy meal. After a while there came a mouse. It started to climb on a lion's back. The lion got angry. The spelling of angry is wrong here. And looked for the mouse. The mouse trembled with fear. The mouse asked the lion to forgive it. Okay, see here. Spelling of forgive is also wrong. The lion felt sorry for the mouse, so he let it go. Okay, now see, here are four words whose spelling is wrong, and when I type this paragraph in MS Word, to automatically one red line display below that wrong words. Everyone can see a red line. Now we will see how to check the spellings. Okay, our first point is checking spellings. The spell check feature of MS Word help to identify spelling and grammatical mistake. Okay, now we see the spell check feature. Either you can make the correction with the right click, just right click the mouse and MS Word will suggest you the correct word. Otherwise, select that word with the mouse, click on review tab and click on spelling and grammar. See here, forest, this word is the wrong word and the right word is FOREST. So click here and click on change. Yes. Then it will show the next word, angry. So here they suggested six words. Which one is correct? Choose that and click on change. Okay, and then click on close. Now we can correct each and every word from this paragraph. Before that, we'll see some other one. Again you click on review. We will see the next feature, that is treasure. Click on review. Here is a treasure feature. It also suggests you the meaning of the word. Okay, meaning of the specific word. Now here you search okay, we'll go to the treasure, select the word. Suppose I will select here sorry word, click on review, click on treasure. Now see, for this sorry word the treasure will display the synonyms and anatomy. Okay, synonyms means the same word and anatomy means the opposite word. Now see, the word is a sorry. See, the word is a sorry and the synonym means the same word is apologize or sad or unhappy, and the opposite word is wicked, pitiful or pathetic. These are the synonyms and anatomy. So this treasure is a feature in a dictionary of words with the same meaning and their opposite. Means this treasure will suggest you the synonyms and anatomy. So in this way we can learn these two features. You can check the spelling within your document. If that spelling is wrong, a red color line will display downside. To correct that spelling, you can use the spell check feature which is used in review tab, or you can use the trigger feature to change that word. Now next feature we will see the word count. Word count the total number of words in the document. Okay, now see here. This is the full document, and in these documents there are 125 words and 2 pages. Okay, suppose if you want to check how many words are there in this passage, so select this passage. It will show here. You can see in this passage there are 73 words, and in the full document there are 125 words. So word count feature display the total number of words in your document. You can see from here also. Click on review. Here is word count feature. It shows how many words, 125. How many pages, 2 pages. How many characters, 532. How many characters with space, 653. How many paragraphs, 8. See here, 1 2 3 4 5, total 8 paragraphs. And how many lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this there are 22 lines. Means this word count feature display the number of words, the number of pages, the number of characters, and number of paragraph and line in your document. Now next we will see find and replace tool. Find and replace tool. Find and replace tool is used to find a word. Okay, suppose there is an word mouse. I want to find out mouse word from this passage. How can I will do, just select this passage, click on home tab. Here is an option find. Okay, click on find. This option will ask you find what. I want to find mouse word. So type mouse, click on find next. See here, the mouse word automatically get highlighted. Again you click on find next. Again the second mouse word get highlighted. Again click on find next. See, the total number of mouse word get highlighted. Means you can find any word, any character with the find feature. The same way you can replace. Suppose in this paragraph mouse word is there. I want to replace this mouse word with the cat. So how I will do this? Just click on replace. Click on replace. Find what? Mouse. Replace with cat. Now click on replace all. There are 5 replacement. Close. Now read this here. Once upon a time there lived a lion in a forest. One day he was sleeping under a tree after a heavy meal. After a while there came a cat. See, in place of mouse, cat will display. And it started to climb on the lion's back. The lion got angry and looked for the cat. See, instead of mouse, the cat came. The cat trembled with the fear. The cat asked the lion to forgive it. The lion felt sorry for the cat, so he let it go. Okay, so in this way we replace the mouse word with the cat. So with the help of find and replace, you can find any word and replace that word with the another word. Now next feature we will learn bullets and numbering. Okay, suppose there is a list of color: red, blue, green, black. Okay, now generally we are giving the numbers 1 2 3 4, or you are writing star. So how to do this? Just select the list. Here you can see the bullets. Which one you want? Circle, arrow, right. Suppose if you want right, click on right. If you want circle, just click on the circle. These are called the bullets. Okay, while giving the numbers we are writing dot dot. These are called the bullets. And numbering means, again you select this, remove this bullet. Here are the numbering 1 2 3, or bracket A B C. Okay, which one you want? Suppose I want the numbering like this, so click on that. So this color will display with the number: red, second blue, third green, fourth black. And this is called bullets and numbering. Understand? Now last point, we will learn sorting a list. Suppose there is a list of students. The first one is Arpita, then Preeti, Gayatri, Sonali. Okay, now you want to sort this. Sort means if you want to arrange this list alphabetically. The numbers starting from A will be first, then B, then C, then D, like this. So how to do this? Select this list. Here is an sorting option. Click on that. It will ask you want to sort ascending or descending. Ascending means from A to Z, and descending means from Z to A. Suppose I want to sort this ascending, so click to ascending, click on OK. See, the names get interchanged. First name will display starting from A, then B, C, D, E, F, G starting from G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, then starting from P, Q, R, S, then starting from S. Suppose if you want to do the sorting in descending order, okay, again you click on the sort, select here descending, click on OK. See, the reverse order get displayed. This is called sorting option. So students, in this way, in this lesson we learn this. First of all, we learn checking spellings, where checking spelling or spell check feature just facilitate us to check the spelling, to make the correction in the mistake. So how we will do that? Just right click on that spelling, otherwise select the spelling, click on review, and click on spelling and grammar. The same way treasure feature help us to find the synonyms and anatoms. Okay, means same words and opposite word. This feature is also available in review treasure. Then word count features display the total number of words in our document. Then bullets and numbering feature is useful to give the numbers and to give the bullets to the list. And last is the sorting list. In the sorting feature is used to display the list in ascending order, means from A to Z, or to display the list in descending order, that is from Z to A.